In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a coupon in Uber Eats. We will walk through this slowly so you can follow along on either Android or iPhone, and by the end, your discount will be correctly applied to your order. Open the Uber Eats app. Give it a moment to load. On the main screen, you should see nearby restaurants or stores, along with a search bar at the top and some food categories below. If the app asks to update or shows a brief loading screen, let that finish so all promo features work properly. Now tap Account at the bottom. On most phones, this looks like a little person icon labeled Account in the bottom right corner. When you tap it, the screen switches from restaurant listings to your personal area, showing options like orders, settings, and payment. This is where Uber keeps all promo and payment tools together so they are ready for any order. From there, tap Promotions. On the promotion screen, you will see any existing discounts or credits already attached to your account. If you have never added one before, the list might be empty, which is normal. This page is only a storage area for coupons, so nothing changes on your order until a promo appears here. Next, tap Add Promo or enter promo code. The exact wording can vary slightly, but it will be a line or button that asks for a code. When you tap it, a simple box appears where you can type. If you see your keyboard pop up and the rest of the screen fades slightly, you are in the right place. Enter your coupon code. Type it in carefully, matching letters and numbers exactly as given. Most Uber Eats codes are not case sensitive, but extra spaces at the beginning or end can cause errors. Take a second to double check before moving on, since even a single wrong character will make the code fail. Now tap Add Promo or Apply. Once you tap, the app quickly checks if the code is valid for your account. If it works, the promo appears in the list on the promotion screen with a short description, often showing the discount amount or conditions. If there is any problem, an error message appears at the bottom and nothing is added. With your promo stored, add your food to the cart, go back to browsing and tap on a restaurant you like, then choose the items you want. As you add each item, look for the small cart icon filling up, usually in the top or bottom corner, which shows how many items are ready for checkout. When you are ready, tap View Cart. This opens a summary of your order with item names, quantities, fees, and the estimated delivery time. Here you can still adjust items or quantities before paying. Check that the coupon is applied before placing the order. Look under the price details for a line that shows a discount or promotion. You should see an amount taken off your subtotal or delivery and sometimes the promo code name. If you do not see it here, the order will not receive that discount. Once everything looks good, tap Place Order. The app processes payment and shows a confirmation screen with your estimated delivery time, and your discount is now locked in for this order. You can also apply a coupon at checkout if you forgot earlier. First, from the home screen of Uber Eats, add your food to the cart as usual. Browse restaurants, pick your items, and watch the cart icon update so you know the items are there. Then tap View Cart. In the cart view, look for an option that says Add Promo. It is usually near the price breakdown. Tap Add Promo, and you will see the familiar box for entering a code right on the checkout screen. Enter the code carefully, then tap Add Promo again. The cart refreshes, and if the code is valid for this order, the discount line immediately appears in the total section. This happens without leaving the checkout, so you can see the final price right away. Finally, with the promo now active, tap Place Order. The order confirmation appears, and your Uber Eats discount is applied to the total you pay. You just learned 2 ways to add a coupon in Uber Eats so your next meal costs less. So if this helped you save a bit, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and you are welcome to subscribe for more simple app tips.